Donating on Continue to Give's Giving Kiosk is easy and secure. If your organization is using a giving kiosk, you'll see the stand and you simply walk up to it. You click Donate Now. You'll be able to type in your amount, decide who you're going to earmark the money for. You can either give to one of the projects that your church or organization has, or one of the missionaries they support. I'm going to give towards tithes. Because I'm giving towards tithes, I am going to give every week for 3 months. Then I can set my start date. Because I do not get paid until Thursday, I'm going to make sure that the money does not go out until Friday. Then I'll be able to give a nice message to the pastor. And then set my privacy options. Because I want to encourage others to give, I'm going to post my real name, but hide my donation amount. Then the next thing I need to do is fill out my credit card or banking information. After I've filled out my routing number and account number and my other billing information, Continue to Give will automatically withdraw to my account and send the money directly to the organization I'm donating to. After I've done all that, I click the Donate Now button. As you can see, it says my donation has been successfully processed. Now you can simply walk away from the kiosk and the screen will refresh itself automatically so that the next person can donate. And when the next person comes to donate, none of the information that you typed in is there, therefore securing all your information. Thank you for choosing Continue to Give.